The all-new Mazda 3 2026 hatchback is here, and it's making a bold statement. With its sleek, athletic silhouette and signature Kodo design language, this car isn't just a hatchback, it's a head-turner on wheels. The flowing lines, sharp angles, and blacked-out grille give it a premium, aggressive stance that sets it apart from the crowd. The newly redesigned LED headlights and striking taillight accents only add to its futuristic, sporty appeal. Whether it's parked or in motion, the Mazda 3 hatchback exudes confidence, sophistication, and style. This is what driving passion looks like. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda 3 offers a thrilling balance of power and precision. The standard 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine delivers a punchy 191 horsepower, giving you smooth, responsive acceleration that's equally at home on city streets and winding back roads. For those craving even more excitement, the turbocharged variant pumps out an exhilarating 250 horsepower with premium fuel. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and available iActive all-wheel drive, this hatchback hugs the road with finesse, giving you sharp cornering, minimal body roll, and a truly connected feel behind the wheel. It's no surprise Mazda is known for building cars that love to drive, and the 2026 Mazda 3 proves that legacy is alive and well. Step inside and you're welcomed into a world of luxury, comfort, and intelligent design. The cabin is a masterpiece of minimalist elegance with soft-touch materials, fine leather-trimmed seating, and precision stitching that screams upscale craftsmanship. The redesigned center console flows smoothly into the dashboard, where an upgraded 10.25-inch infotainment display sits proudly. Controlled by Mazda's intuitive rotary dial, now even more responsive than before, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, with wireless functionality for seamless connectivity. And the Bose premium 12-speaker audio system, pure sonic bliss. Whether you're on a quick errand or a long road trip, this interior turns every drive into a first-class experience. But it doesn't stop there. Mazda has packed the 2026 hatchback with cutting-edge tech and safety features to keep you ahead of the curve. The latest iteration of iActive Sense includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and the new driver attention alert system that gently nudges you back to focus if it senses drowsiness or distraction. Add in advanced climate control, customizable ambient lighting, and an available heads-up display that projects vital info right onto your windshield, and you've got a car that's not just smart, it's brilliantly intuitive. The 2026 Mazda 3 hatchback is more than just a stylish compact. It's a performance-driven, tech-savvy, comfort-loaded masterpiece built for those who crave a deeper connection with the road. With its unmatched combination of design, innovation, and driving joy, this car doesn't just compete, it redefines what a hatchback can be.